There is a God that we serve. A God our fathers served. The God of our fathers. And that God allowed my father to die in a war. And he watched my mother killed in the most gruesome way ever. That was left alone. All alone! So can you blame a man? Can you blame this man? Can you blame my actions? Can you blame my thoughts? Can you blame my beliefs? Can you blame my thoughts? I don't even care about your opinion. But as far as GÁDÁRÀ is concerned, whatever I want is what I get. I will do anything. I can do unimaginable things to achieve what I want. And the interesting part is that I always get what I want.